Hi, I'm Susan. I hope y'all are doing great today. Today I'm participating in week 26. We're halfway through the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is rubber stamping in 2 colors. I'm going to use Victorian Velvet and aged mahogany. I'm just going to do a simple crackle type stamp. The next one is a hexagon, and this is the closest I could find to a hexagon. I could find lots of octagons, but hexagons were a different animal. So that's what I found. A face. I've got this beautiful lady. A set of numbers. I'm not sure what a set of numbers is, so hopefully I've got it covered in these. Text in a different alphabet, and I've got this here, this writing. I'm not even sure which side is up and which side is down. And a bonus is a tall building, and I've got that. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP 26 to see what everybody's made this week. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished project. I've got my rubber stamping in 2 colors. I've got my hexagon, face, set of numbers, text in a different alphabet, and a tall building. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like. I started to do my usual splatters, but I opted for the gold flakes, and I like how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. And I really love you all. Until next time, bye y'all.